Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. Today in this lecture we are going to see how to find mean, median, mode, okay, for the following data. Already in my last few lectures I have explained how to calculate median, how to calculate mode, how to calculate median, okay. So today all together measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendencies are mean, median, mode, okay. Now how to calculate mean, median, mode together, okay, for the following data. Now this is the data. This data is individual observation and we have to find individual observation mean, median and mode all together. How three we can find, okay. So this is the observation 68, 49, 38, 41, 49, 54, 89, 99 and 67, okay. So now by this observation we have to find median, mean, median and mode, okay. So mean, to calculate mean we use to calculate mean the formula is number of the sum of observation divided by number of observation, okay. So first thing we will find mean, okay. So this is the observation. To find mean, mean is also called as x bar, okay, arithmetic mean x bar. To find mean the formula is sum of observation divided by number of observation. So x summation, this sign is what? Sigma. Summation means sum of observation divided by number of observation, okay. So sum of observation means we have to add all this and count how many observations are there. So 68 plus 49 plus 38 plus 41 plus 49 plus 54 plus 89 plus 99 and plus 67, okay, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 9. So 9 is the observation. So add all this thing. 68 plus 49 plus 38 plus 41 plus 49 plus 54 plus 89 plus 99 plus 67. We get 554 means 554 divided by 9. So divide this by 9. We get 61.56. So 61.56 is mean, okay. Next we have to find, now we have find mean, we have to find median, okay. Next we will find median. Now by using this observation only we have to find median, okay. Now to find median, what is the first step, okay. First step is to arrange the observation or arrange the data in the increasing or decreasing order, like from smaller to greater number or greater number to smaller number, okay. So first thing I am going to arrange the data, okay. I am going to arrange the data in increasing order, okay. I am going to arrange the data in increasing order. So the smallest number is 38. I am arranging the data in increasing order. Already I have explained you in my last lecture. Do watch that video. You will find the link in the description box. So I am going to arrange the data in the increasing order. That means I am going to arrange it from smaller number to bigger number. After 38, number 49, 41, 49, 2 times 49 is there. After 49, 54, after 54, 67, 68, 89 and 99, okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. So I have arranged the data in the increasing order. Next step is count the observation. The number of observation is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the observation, and 9 is what? 9 is odd number. Okay, 9 is odd number. Now for median, if the number is odd number, so formula will be different, and if the number of observation is even, there will be the formula will be different. Already I have explained you this part. You can find the link in the description box. Do watch that video, and if you like my video, if you like my teaching, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So 9 is odd number. So for odd number, the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket th. Okay, n plus 1 tenth divided by 2. So n is what? 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. So fifth observation. Fifth observation. Okay, so fifth observation, in this observation is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 54 is median. Okay, th means first observation, for th, the term. Okay, so fifth observation is what? Median is 54. Okay, so we have found mean, we have got median. Median is 54. The fifth observation is what? In the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 54 is median. Now third, we have to find mode. Okay, now mode for individual observation is what? Mode, the definition of mode is what? The observation with maximum frequency, or the most repeated frequency, or the most repeated observation is called as mode. Now in this data, which number is the repeated number, or which number is the highest number? Now you can see 99 is there, but still in this example 49 is repeating 2 times. Okay, 49 is repeating 2 times. That's why 49 is what? Mode. Okay, because 49 is most repeated observation. Most repeated observation. Therefore 49 is mode. Okay, we cannot say 99 as mode, because though it is the largest number, but still the next observation is what? 49. Okay, 49 is repeating more than one time. Okay, that's why mode is 49. So mean we have got 61.56, median is 54, and mode is 49. Okay, so in this way you have to find the mean, median, mode all together of one simple individual observation. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to find mean, median, mode for one individual observation. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.